Hello everyone. Today we will learn how to use YUNO tool to extract web data automatically. So first you would need to open a Chrome browser and enter the URL for the YUNO web portal. So once the web portal page comes up, please use the email ID and password which you had set up for your registration. So once you enter your credentials, you will be logged into the YUNO web portal. So here is the YUNO web portal. Let me first remove some of the earlier items. So this is a search engine page which has three boxes. So the first box is the add keyword box, where you enter the keywords which you put in to extract the information from, and you can store up to 200 keywords currently. So let me put in the keywords cricket, batsman. So this is basically to give you an idea about how the add keywords box works. The add website is the box wherein you store the websites from which you would like to get information from, and you can store up to 100 websites. So right now I'm going to put in some websites from which I often pull out information. So basically now what happens is every time I come onto this page, I don't need to add the keywords which commonly I use and this websites from which I want to pull up information. So this time I will just put James Anderson. He's a fast bowler actually in cricket for the England team. So this shows the information displayed from specifically from these sites using a combination of these two keywords and this search word. Next we move on to the agents page. Now in this page we have agents. Agent is basically a automated bot which goes to a specified web page and extracts a selected web item or a section of the web page. So let me show you how it works. First we create an agent. Now I say India News. So once I create an agent, now I've created an agent. It has the scheduling button and the recording button. The recording button is basically to kickstart the recording process of the agent. So first we click on this to switch it from off to on, and then we go on to the website from which we need to pull up data. I go to the news section, a live news section. So this page gives out information every say 5 minutes. So I want to pull up data from this site for my research work. So the next thing is we would need to add a Chrome extension in order to select the data from this specific site. So we go to the Chrome store, and in the search section we enter YUNO and we click enter. We see the first result YUNO. This is the extension that we need to add to the Chrome browser before we start the web data extraction process. So I click on add to Chrome. I say add extension. Okay, the Chrome extension has been added. To check this, I go back to this page and I right click where I see the signing to YUNO. So I click on this. Okay, sometimes you'll have to click it twice. Okay, you get the Chrome extension login now. Please use the same credentials which you used to log into the web portal. Now you have logged into the Chrome extension. When you right click, you see these three options. When you click on create project, you get a project. You get a box, Chrome extension box, in which you can put the project name as news. Rediff is the source, so you do it as source. Now the news is the project name and Rediff is the element under it. So the purpose of this element box is to basically click on create element and select the elements on the page which will be mapped to this. So how it works is, let me show you. Now I right click on this image and I say I want to set selection. Click on set. So the content is mapped to the rediff element. So under that element this image goes and is stored. Once you do this, you need to save this. So this shows successfully added template. What it means is this data what you have selected is mapped onto the portal. So you go back to the portal in which you have these three buttons. The first button is the template button, which shows you a preview of the saved templates. As you see, it says save templates for agent India news, and you see the information rediff. The whole information is right here. So if you're okay with this information to be extracted, you just look at it and close it. In case you want to change it, you click on delete and it gets deleted. So now the information has been mapped onto the portal. Under the Chrome extension box, you have another button called download. So once you click on download, you can directly download the selected data onto an Excel or a document. Just let me show you how it looks once you save it. So if you click on this Word document, it basically gives you the data, what time it was created, the project name, the date, the URL, the element name and content. So this can be used for immediate download if you don't want to schedule the extraction at a later time or date. Now you can get it immediately in an Excel format as well. So whichever is convenient to you, you could use it. So here you see the same for what you saw in the doc format, except it is in Excel. So the name, date, URL, element and content. So we go back to this portal in order to schedule the extraction for a later date. So how it works is you click on this button which gives you the scheduler frequency. You can do it on a daily basis, so it can be scheduled to extract the data on a daily basis, or you can do it on a weekly, fortnightly, monthly. Now if I'm going to the demo mode, what happens is every 10 minutes the data is extracted. So I'll give the current date and I say save agent configuration. So it says agent updated. Now we go to the scheduling and we click on the on button. Now the scheduling is on. So basically what it means is the data that has been recorded onto the portal now has been scheduled for extraction. Now to check this extraction process is working or not, we log into our email ID. And we just confirm that the data is being extracted. So I have put it on the demo mode, so every 10 minutes the data is being extracted. So as seen in the email inbox, the data has been delivered in the format of HTML as well as a CSV format. The user can download the HTML image directly, or he can open the CSV file. So currently the data has been delivered to the email inbox of the user in both HTML and CSV formats on a scheduled basis. So this is how the format looks like of the CSV file. So going back to the agent section, the number of agents that can be set is unlimited for the user. Say for example, if he wants to extract data from 100 websites, he can create multiple agents. So he can create another agent and say American News on some American News website, and he can start off with the same process as shown earlier. So the agents constitute a very important part of the data extraction process. By setting the agents up on multiple websites, we can simultaneously pull up data from hundreds of websites at the same time. And this is how the data extraction process works with YUNO. And thank you all for watching.